Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to protect pivot table in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I already create one pivot table. So you can easily edit on this pivot table. Simply click on it and go to the pivot table analysis. You can use here the different option to edit the pivot table. You can insert the slicer, insert the timeline, and you can any other option you can use also. In design tab also you can use the different design to change the pivot table designs. Okay, but when you protect this pivot table you not able to use this both tab options. Okay, it's totally protected. When you double click on this any option you can see that one sheet is automatically added with the all details. Okay, when the pivot table is protected this sheet also not open, so data you can't read in details. So I just simply right click on it and delete these sheets. Okay, then I'm going to protect this pivot table. So simply right click on the sheet name. So pivot is a sheet name here. Right click on it and click on the protect sheets option and just enter the password. Okay, I just enter here the password. Don't deselect and select any option here. Just enter the password and click on the OK. Then re-enter the same password. Okay, and click on OK. And that's it. Now you can see the board tab is not shown here. Okay, and when you double click on the any amount the data also is not open due to the protected sheet. Okay, so this way you can protect your pivot table. So hope you understood. If you like this video please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.